The burning of Meitei houses at Jiribam district by Kuki militants is still continuous. One Meitei house belonging to Haikruzam Maniton Singh, located at Borobekra, has been set on fire by suspected Kuki Hmar miscreants last night at around 7 p.m. According to a source, 70% of the house were burnt in the incident. The house is located at a distance of 400 meters from the police station Borobekra. On hearing the burning of the house, a team of police along with some CRPF personnel rushed to the area and stopped the fire. However, no human casualty was reported in the incident. The residents of Borobekra, who are taking shelter at different relief camps in Jiribam district, asked the government to make efforts to protect the deserted houses of Meitei community in Jiribam. They blame the government for unable to safeguard the property of the Meitei civilians. They also seek additional security to curb the violence activities of Kuki Hmar miscreants at Jiribam.